Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels videos on the Snapchat. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app and let's take a look at the feed. Let's try to find something that we like, that is suitable. Remember, it has to be suitable for the format of Snapchat. This looks like a cool video because Snapchat likes videos like this, fun. So you want to click on the paper airplane under the actual video. You see there is a heart, there is a comment section, and then click on the paper airplane. Then you want to scroll down on this menu over here. You want to scroll to the section, and the last option is Snapchat. You want to click on the Snapchat button, and then you will be able to set this as a brand new post on your own account. You will be able to share it, okay? For more tips like this guys, subscribe and like this video.